boys and girls, it's Miss Fran again, and I wanted to share with you another really fun thing you can do with things that you have in your kitchen. So what I have here is a glass of water, some paper, a marker, a Sharpie actually would be best, and a Zippy. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is we're going to do a little magic. First, what I want you to do is I want you to draw something on your piece of paper. Something really simple. It doesn't have to be anything really hard to do. I would like you to use a few colors, some bright colors. So what I did was I drew a rainbow on my paper, right at the bottom. It's really simple. And I used Sharpie and I just traced it. So that's all it is, just a little rainbow, and it's on a small piece of paper. So what you do next is you take this piece of paper and you slide it. Let me show you. Slide it here inside your Ziploc bag. And make sure there isn't any air in it. Push it down. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so it's just flat. Nothing in it. Okay, and then you're going to take the Sharpie and you're going to trace the picture that you have. Okay, so you're going to go around. I'm going to go around my cloud. I'm going to follow the same lines I already have on my picture. Same thing. It's really simple. I'm not going to color it in. I'm just tracing it. Okay, I think I have a little bit. So, next, just so you can see what it looks like, you have the same picture you have, just with black Sharpie. Make sure you put this back in the same spot. So, what you're going to do now is you are going to tape this little piece back. I'm sorry, you're going to need a little bit of tape too. I just think it's easier if you use tape. You don't have to use tape, but it's a little easier to keep your baggie and like your drawing, your piece of paper in one place. So then next what you're going to do is, you're wondering, what am I going to do with a glass of water? We are not going to be drinking anything, but we are going to be using it to do an experiment. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take, you're going to do this with the help of your parents, but you're going to maybe trick someone and show them some really cool stuff with this. Now, we're going to take this, now the paper's inside the baggie and taped and closed so that it doesn't get wet, and you're going to put this paper inside the water. And what you're going to see is the colors of your picture disappear. Okay? So when you look from the top, let me see if I can show you the angle that I have. When you put it down, the colors disappear. How cool is that? Right? Pretty neat, right? So you can do any kind of drawing. Just make it small. So you can put it in a baggie. It doesn't have to be the paper I showed you. The paper I used has lines on it. It can just be regular white paper, but just make sure when you do it, it's smaller and so it can fit in a glass. Okay, and you're going to amaze your family because they're going to say, oh my goodness, how in the world did that happen? And it's very cool, and it's a really neat trick, and you don't need too many things to make it happen. So I hope you had fun, and I hope you tried it at home. I'll see you soon. Bye.